Hi guys, this is Mitali here and welcome back to my channel. We all know that Shein, Romway, Alibaba, Club Factory and all these Chinese websites are banned in India right now. So I can see so many stories and obviously some of them have DM'd me and asking me about what are the alternatives of Shein, Romway and all of these websites. In this video I'll be sharing some of the alternatives plus my favorite websites where I shop from. So yeah, if you're interested to know all about that, then keep on watching the video. Before that, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like it if you liked it, and share it with your friends. It might help them. And yeah, now let's get into the video. इस वीडियो में मैंने कोई भी प्राइस फैक्टर नहीं रखा. Like I'm gonna be suggesting you some of the websites and applications which are really very affordable. And also if you are searching and if you want some branded products, then also you'll get everything in this video. So yeah, just wait and watch. I totally understand. I know कि Shein सब मिस कर रहे हैं and Shein का एक सबसे अच्छा जो मुझे चीज़ लगता था, it was very inclusive in terms of size. Like you can get sizes like extra small से till 5XL I think. Like I have seen 5XL also on Shein. So it was a inclusive brand I would say. जैसा आपको बहुत सारे दूसरे वेबसाइट्स में एंड एवरीथिंग में साइजेस नहीं मिलते हैं. अगर आप बहुत पतले हो you don't get size. If you are like very big in size you don't get it. So yeah, like there is a lot of problems with the other websites. So yeah, I know we all are missing Shein, but जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Because of all the security reasons we have banned it. I truly support it and that's why I'm making this alternative ka video. So the first application that I'll suggest you guys for shopping will be Ajio. Ajio has some amazing sales going on right now. So I'll highly recommend you guys to check out the sale because बहुत मैसिव सेल चल रही है. लाइक अराउंड 70% तक आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. दे ऑल्सो हैव रिलायंस ट्रेंड ऑन द बोर्ड एंड दे हैव ऑल द अमेजिंग ब्रांड्स with them on the Ajio website. And Ajio का अपना भी एक कलेक्शन है वहाँ पे which is also decently priced I would say. Not really affordable or not highly priced, which is decently priced. So definitely check out Ajio. They have some amazing collection guys and right now they are running huge sales. So definitely would recommend you guys to check Ajio for that. They have everything like clothing, men's clothing, kids clothing, and even their application is very user friendly. I really like their application. Everything is quite what you say, neat, tidy and clean, and it's very easy to use obviously. So yeah, definitely my first pick would be Ajio. Definitely recommending you guys to try out something from there. So the next place that you can obviously shop from will be the Street Style store. I think you must have heard about this store. So this brand does not have an application like an Android or iOS application नहीं है. इसका एक website है where you can shop from. There are various deals on Street Style store as well. Like you get 3 pieces for $9.99 and like all of these pieces like 4 pieces for this much price, 3 pieces for this much price. Again, Street Style store is definitely very famous for their shoes. मुझे तो शायद shoes के बारे में ही पता था Street Style store के. I didn't know कि उनका एक what you say a fashion collection भी है उनके पास. But when I searched it on the website, they have some amazing pieces to be honest and at a very reasonable rate. So definitely check out Street Style store. It's amazing. You can definitely get some amazing products at very cheap prices. Definitely check out Street Style store for that. So the next app that I really like shopping from is Myntra because you get all the branded stuff from there. You get Forever 21, H&M, I don't think Zara you get, I don't know, but all the popular brands that you get in the what you say the malls, because malls तो भी बंद है. But if you want to shop from brands, definitely check out Myntra. Again, they are running I think end of reason sale. I think EORS sales are the best time to shop from all these websites to be honest, because जब भी इन सारे जो भी मैं आपको websites या applications बता रही हूँ ना अभी सब पे ही सेल चल रही है which are like massive. Basically मुझे जुलाई काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है because yeah, it's my birthday month I know, but इतनी अच्छी सेल्स आती है ना सारे ब्रांड्स में. like almost सारे ब्रांड में I can see sales जब भी मैं अपनी शॉपिंग के लिए जाती हूँ. टू बी ऑनेस्ट एवरी ईयर, दिस ईयर तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज कोरोना है. So yeah, the monsoon sales are the best जो जून जुलाई में आती है. So like that's why I love July, because you get some amazing pieces at a discounted price. So yeah, ये time काफ़ी अच्छा है if you want to shop anything for yourself. So अभी ये सारे websites में ही sale चल रही है, so you can just shop from there right now. So coming back to the Myntra, again it's an amazing app because you can get so many brands. आप अपने हिसाब से देख सकते हो, because there are some brands which are pretty affordable in Myntra as well, and some of them which are really high end kind of brands. So yeah, it's again an inclusive for everyone. So yeah, so the next application that I'm enjoying these days, like I'm stalking on that app constantly these days, is the Urbanic. Like it has some amazing fashionable kind of stuff on their website. Like they are pretty cool to be honest, and they are also, like I would say, decently priced. So Urbanic definitely gives me the Shein and Romwe ka vibes, because they have some amazing prints, like floral prints and the nice cuts here and there जो मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है. So again, Urbanic is something which is really nice, but I would say that it is slightly expensive to Shein. I really feel कि उनका क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा है, because one of my friend has ordered from it and I've touched the fabric and everything and she's quite happy with it, and even I was like, yeah, this is really good. So yeah, definitely check out Urbanic for it. But I think Urbanic में ही एक ये एप्लीकेशन है जिसमें अभी कोई सेल नहीं चल रही है. So yeah, just keep an eye on that app, because अगर उस पर सेल आएगी ना, you will definitely get some amazing products from there, because काफ़ी ज़्यादा fashionable उनके items. So the next application that I'll recommend you guys will be the Tata Click. So I didn't know कि Tata का ये भी एक application है, but again this app is kind of similar to like Amazon and Flipkart, because you don't get only fashion like thing, the shopping, the clothing items, but you get everything like electronics and fashion. I don't know about groceries. कुछ ब्रांड में तो there is a huge massive discount, like 50-60% का डिस्काउंट भी आपको मिल जाएगा. So yeah, definitely check Tata Click for that. Next app will be the H&M app. अगेन उनके वेबसाइट पे बहुत अच्छी सेल चल रही है. राइट नाउ इट्स क्लोज. जब मैं अभी फिल्म कर रही हूँ उन्होंने डिलीवरी देना क्लोज कर दिया है, बिकॉज महाराष्ट्र में समथिंग लाइक इज़ हैपनिंग, कुछ रूल आया है. बट अगेन दे हैव सम अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स गाइज, and H&M के products are truly amazing. I've tried so many items. I have so many items from H&M and it's totally worth it. The fabric quality is just to die for. I know they are a little bit expensive, but sales are the best time guys, and sales तो अभी चल रही है हर जगह. So definitely आप ये सारे apps में ना आई करके रखो. Make sure you are putting everything that you want in the wish list. Whenever there is a sale, just grab it and just enjoy your product basically. Like this is what I do personally, because I'm a shopaholic. So I just keep my eyes on these all apps, because I really like all these apps. So yeah. So next thing which is not very affordable will be the Zara application. So Zara में भी अभी सेल चल रही है, but उनकी सेल भी काफ़ी महंगी हो जाती है sometimes to be honest. But Zara के products are different level. Like I have 2-3 items from Zara, but they are amazing guys. Like the quality is just to die for. Like different level की quality है, and I get it why that is like really expensive. But definitely if you want something like for your birthdays or some parties or for yourself or just to gift it to somebody really close to you, I think Zara पे अभी काफ़ी अच्छी सेल चल रही है guys. Definitely look onto that app. अगर आपको कुछ ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया, like the leather jacket or something sort of that is just the best place for you guys, because Zara से अच्छा आपको ब्लैक सामान तो नहीं मिलेगा मुझे लगता है. लाइक आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद द ब्लैक कलेक्शन, बिकॉज Zara जाते ही आई गेट दैट positive vibe, because I can see a lot of blacks to be honest, black clothing, and I really like that. Like black is my favorite color. So yeah, next application that I'll highly recommend you guys will be the Lulu and Sky. So मैंने अभी उनका एप्लीकेशन देखा and I could see so many amazing deals. Like you can get a product worth ₹250 or ₹150. I've seen like इतना affordable, and Lulu and Sky is like a good brand to be honest. And उनकी भी सेल चल रही है. They are just running a massive sale. Like there is a 90%, like up to 90% off on their clothing and fashionable collection and overall cart basically. So yeah, definitely check out Lulu and Sky, because they are running just huge massive sale, like up to 90% off is like, are you even serious guys? So you just have to check Lulu and Sky because the collection is really amazing and काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो रही है. सो या अगर आपको भी कुछ लेना है, डेफिनेटली गो एंड चेक आउट राइट नाउ बिकॉज या द स्टॉक्स आर रनिंग. So next application will be Cooves. Cooves is kind of similar to Ajio I feel, and Cooves में भी आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा branded stuff मिल जाएगा and the normal stuff जो थोड़े affordable brands होते हैं आपको वो भी मिल जाएंगे Cooves में, and थोड़े high end brands भी मिल जाएंगे. and Cooves का अपना भी एक फैशन कलेक्शन है, यू कैन ऑब्वियसली चेक आउट दैट. उनके फुटवेयर्स एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ रियली नाइस बिकॉज मेरे पास है उनका एक फुटवेयर. रियली चेक आउट Cooves. इफ़ यू लाइक समथिंग यू कैन ऑब्वियसली गेट समथिंग फ्रॉम देयर. अगेन द प्राइस, द क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ रियली नाइस. तो द नेक्स्ट एप्लीकेशन विल बी मैक्स फैशन. तो मुझे नहीं पता था अभी तक टू बी ऑनेस्ट कि उनका एक वेबसाइट या एप्लीकेशन भी है. सो आई इंस्टॉल्ड इट एंड व्हेन आई सॉ द कलेक्शन, अमेजिंग डील तो चालू ही है अभी गाइज, लाइक सेल्स तो अभी चालू है हर जगह. एंड देर इज़ लाइक an offer going on that you can pick 4 items for 999, which is god damn, that's just 250 rupees for per piece, which is amazing to be honest in my opinion. So definitely check out Max Fashion if you want some affordable items because yeah, again that is really nice to be honest. Finally we are at the end of the video, so the last application जो मैं आपको suggest करूँगी for shopping will be Amazon. Oh my god guys, Amazon में अगर आपको क्लोथ्स लेना है स्पेसिफिकली, यू कैन गेट सम अमेजिंग क्लोथ्स टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आपको काफ़ी अच्छा कलेक्शन मिल सकता है वहाँ पे. द ओनली थिंग इज़ दैट यू हैव टू स्क्रोल द वेबसाइट टू द हेल. लाइक अगर आप अच्छे से स्क्रोल करके इफ यू चेक आउट एवरीथिंग ना, आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर दैट यू गोना लाइक सम ऑफ द अदर थिंग बिकॉज काफ़ी अच्छा कलेक्शन उनके पास भी मिल जाता है. डेफिनेटली देर आर सम अमेजिंग किक-एस bomb-ass products there. So definitely check out Amazon because अगर आपने अच्छे से scroll and अच्छे से ढूंढा ना, definitely you can get some amazing stuff from there. I can guarantee you guys. So and Amazon पे जो भी आपको products मिलते हैं, they are quite affordable and reasonable. So yeah, सोने पे सुहागा है वो. So yeah, definitely check out Amazon guys. So yeah, with this we come to the end of today's video. I really hope that you found this video helpful. अगर helpful लगा हो तो like कर देना इस वीडियो को and share it with your friends and please help them. शायद उनको भी help हो जाएगी ये वीडियो से. So yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely